back again with another video, man. Today, I don't know what the fuck I'ma give y'all. Like, I really been bullshitting y'all. I've been telling y'all every time I come back and drop these bangers, and my ass been bullshitting. I gotta lock in for it. I gotta be consistent, bro. But look though, I know I've been gone for some motherfucking time. We gonna make all that shit back. We gonna make all that shit, you feel me? Like today, I'm doing a cool little day in life with my dog, man. We just gonna see what we can really get into for real, for real. And no crap, no bullshit. So, right now we at the gas station and shit. Nigga popping gas and shit, you feel what I'm saying? Type shit. So like, boom, right? I ain't gonna cap, I've been manifesting this shit. I need to have a Challenger Scat Pack 39 Deuce A by next year. I ain't gonna cap. And I'ma make that shit come true. And I'ma get that shit. But everybody else that's out there, and y'all know what the fuck y'all doing, and y'all know what y'all wanna do in life, man, just hit a nigga DM, bro. I might got some advice for you. I might tell you some things you never knew before, son. It could go, you feel what I'm saying? So don't ever feel scared to reach out to a nigga, you feel what I'm saying? Cause y'all my supporters, so me being, you feel me? I gotta watch out for y'all like y'all watch out for me. But nah though, man, this shit, come on, niggas about to, you feel me? We on a nice little chill shit, man. We about to go DoorDash. Yeah. We about to go DoorDash. Get some extra Funyuns. Man, man, I'ma cut that out actually. Y'all don't need to know what I do on the side. Fuck. That money on just coming in, and so y'all need to know. But I'ma pick the camera back up when we get to like doing some. Right now we just at the gas station. I can see we at the G station. But now I'm pick that bit back up when I get in some motion or some lotion, you know what I'm saying? No cow. So guys, we are currently DoorDash drivers now. We lost all our motion, man. This shit is horrible. This shit is fucking bad. We are DoorDashing, bro. You know it's bad when your ass out here DoorDashing. You know that bitch bad on your ass out here doing that shit. Some bullshit. I'm be back on motion though. As soon as Home Depot get back to it, nigga. But no, for real though, man. That's about lame as shit. My high wearing on.
Well, let me hit the pen, Twine. That's what I need. So
I might go Maserati just like that. That bitch hard. I might go Maserati. Blase. Get out. Here, she gon' fuck you up. That's that Audi that's something like that. My man.
this shit tastes like weed a little bit.
That's what it is, nigga.
At the next light, turn left.
I'm like a little ass kid. But I'm outside at
At the light. Use the left lane to continue onto Peachtree Street Northwest.
Cause you fucking my nigga, my friend like get it sexy. Hell, can't say the rent me. I didn't change my number 3 times.
Continue straight. Go past this light, then at the next one, turn left.
Young nigga really get money on God.
Hey, he outside. That boy got this. He got the SRT out. Them motherfucking toys. He got that toy out, man. Hey, Kobe, move your head. That boy trying to slide the Acura. Oh my God. And now we got a 39 Duce SRT behind us, man. And we inside this Impala motherfucker. I mean, we inside this Chrysler 200 motherfucker. Then we got niggas in the Aqua coming up. Nigga in the Charge over there.
Let's get in front. Let's get in front. Let's get in front. Turn it back up a little bit.
Hey, that bitch is hard. I'm not gonna cap. Motherfucker SRT.
Get in front, Torn. Get in front.
Side in the city, we just got this shit peppering. My camera is blurry. Hey, Twin, how you feeling, Twin? Kobe. How you feeling, Twin?
Jeez, son.
Hey, watch out for Colin now. You know how he.
How you feeling, Twin?
Hey, Colin, don't do no dumb shit. Let me get in front.
How you feeling, Twin? Sam.
Huh?
How you feeling, Twin?
I'm feeling good.
Shit, Twin. Let me get some crazy content for this. It's a little bit dangerous city.
Beautiful day in the neighborhood.
Left that left that SRT motherfucker.
Left the bitch gas. Left the bitch gas.
City is should I rap or should I do? These niggas out here with these pipes. We outside today, boy. This nigga got a Drake, nigga.
God, hanging out the track. Oh God, niggas.
And nigga Kobe Bob boy. Man, that's what we going through right now, man. We are outside. I got this shit, Twin. I made for this shit, Twin.